Assalamualaikum and good morning to sir. Today I will present about tool and dies in tool design. Before I will start the present, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Iko Naiman bin Abdul Razak. My number matrix is 07DTP23F1010. Okay, firstly I will go to introduction. Tool and dies are special tools in use in manufacturing to cut, shape, or form metal and other materials into desired parts. A tool helps guide or hold the workpiece, while a die is a shaped cavity that the material is pressed into or cut by. These tools are important because they ensure that parts are made accurately, quickly, and consistently. Tool and die making is widely used in industry like automotive, electronics, and appliances to produce high-quality components efficiently. Okay, next is about die cutting operation. First is plain blanking. Definition: plain blanking is a sheet metal cutting process used to produce flat piece called blanks from a large metal sheet. The advantage is high accuracy, smooth edges, fast production rate, and suitable for mass production. And disadvantage is material was scrapped, tool wear over time, and limited to flat parts. Okay, next in die cutting operation is piercing. Definition is piercing is a sheet metal process used to punch hole or opening in a workpiece using a punch and die. So advantage is high precision and repairability, fast operation for mass production, good surface finish and on all edges, and disadvantage is produce was like slack, punch and die may wear over time, limited to simple hole shape unless special patches are used. Okay, next is about lancing. Lancing is a sheet metal operation where the material is partly cut and bend in one stroke without removing any material. So advantage in lancing is safe material, no scrap, combines cutting and bending in one operation, faster production process, and disadvantage is may cause distortion if not properly supported. Edges may be rugged than in blanking, limited to thin sheet metal. Okay, next is about shaving. Shaving is a finishing operation used to remove a thin layer of metal from the edge of previously blacked or pierced part. Advantage in shaving: produce smooth, accurate edges, improve fit and appearance of the part, and disadvantage: increase production time, require accurate alignment and a sharp tool. Okay, the last of part die cutting operation is trimming. Trimming is a process used to remove excess or unwanted material, like flesh or extra edges, from a format or drawn part. So, advantage trimming is ensure uniform edge shape, improve assemble fit, and product appearance. And disadvantage is produce waste material, requires additional operation and tooling. Okay, next is about relation between die clearance with the cutting action in punch and die operation. First, die clearance means the small gap between the punch and die. This gap helps the metal cut or shear properly when the punch press the sheet. If the clearance is correct, the cut edge is smooth and clean, with less burr. If the clearance is too small, to punch must use more force and the tools wear out faster. If the clearance is too big, the metal tears instead of cutting, causing ragged edges and burrs. Okay, next is about I want to talk about type of die. First is blanking die. Definition is a blanking die is a tool used to cut flat shaped blanks from a sheet of metal in one stroke. So main function is to produce blanks that are later used for other operation like bending, drawing, or forming. So advantage blanking dies is fast and accurate cutting, smooth edges on blanks, suitable for mass production, And the last is application is making washer, coins, gears, and electrical component. Okay, next is about piercing dies. A piercing die is used to make holes in sheet metal using a punch and die set. So application used in making holes in washer, brackets, control panels, and machine part. So advantage fast and accurate hole making, suitable for mass production. Next is about bending dies. A bending dies is used to bend or shape sheet metal at the desired angle or curve. So application used in making bracket, frame, panel, and enclosure. An advantage for bending dies is strong and precise bends can form many shape and angle. Okay, next is about drawing dies. A drawing dies is used to stretch sheet metal into a cup, cylinder, or hollow shape without tearing it. So application drawing dies is used in making cups, cans, automotive body parts, and containers. And the advantage is can produce hollow shape from flat sheet, suitable for mass production. Okay, the last is type of dies is progressive dies. A progressive dies is a type of die used in high volume production where multiple operations such as punching, bending, cutting are performed sequentially as the material strip moves through the die. Working principle: a metal strip fit through the die. Each station performs a specific operation. At the end, a finished part is produced after passing through all stations. An application for progressive dies is mass production of washer, bracket, clips, and electronic components, common in automotive, electronic, and consumer good industry. So advantage-nya is high production speed, consistent part quality, reduced manual handling, and tooling costs. Okay, next is about complete the die design. The die design. Dies block. A die block is a main part of a die set used in metalworking like blanking, piercing, or forming. It's a female part of the die that has a cavity or opening where the punch pushes the metal to cut or shape it. Die blocks are usually made of hardened steel so they can handle repeat punch and keep the shape accurate. They help make clean cuts, correct shape, and consistent part. Die blocks are used in industry like cars, electronic, and appliances to make precise metal parts quickly and efficiently. Okay, next is a punch and punch plate. A punch is a male part of a punch and die set used in metalworking like blanking, piercing, and forming. Each push on the metal to cut or shape it by pressing it into the die. Purchase are usually made of hardened steel so they stay strong and purchased after many use. The punch plate is the part that holds the punch in place and keeps it aligned with the die. It also transfers in press force evenly to punch. Together, two punch and punch plate help make accurate cut, smooth edges, and consistent part. They are widely used in industry like automotive, electronic, and appliance. Okay, next is a force mechanism involved in die operation. Punch force is the punch push down on the metal to cut, pierce, or shape it. The needed force depends on the metal type, thickness, and operation. Shearing force: this is resistance of the metal to being cut. The punch must be strong enough to overcome this force for a clean cut. And the last is bending force. Used in a bending operation, the force bends the sheet along a line and must be enough to overcome a metal strength without cracking it. So this is my design in punch plate. Okay, next is about blank plate design. And this is the complete design of tool and dies. And lastly, this is my product design. Next is about discussion. Tool and dies are essential in metalworking for shaping, cutting, and forming metal parts accurately. A die acts as the female part with a cavity to guide the metal, while the punch is like male part that applies force to cut or shape it. Different dies like blanking, piercing, bending, drawing, and progressive dies are used based on the operation. Components such as the die block, punch, stripper, pilot, and pressure pad ensure proper alignment, accurate cutting, and smooth ejection. Proper die clearance and force management help reduce burrs, prevent tool wear, and maintain dimensional accuracy. Tool and dies are widely used in industry like automotive, electronic, and appliance, enabling efficiency production, clean cuts, and pressing shape, making them a key part of modern manufacturing. Okay, next is the last of present is conclusion. In conclusion, tool and dies are vital in metalworking for producing accurate, consistent, and high-quality parts. They allow operation like blanking, piercing, bending, and drawing to be done efficiently. Proper design, correct die clearance, and the use of components like punch, die, blocks, strips, and pressure pads ensure precision, smooth edge, and minimal tool wear. Widely used in industries such as automotive, electronic, and appliance, tool and dies play a key role in mass production and modern manufacturing. So this is my reference. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you, sir.